Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can add the repost option in your TikTok. At first go to TikTok, make sure it is updated, check it on your Google Play Store. After that click on this three dot button here and then go to settings and privacy. Now if you go to privacy and you see there's nothing called repost here, so all you have to do is scroll down until you see report a problem and then go to videos and sounds. After that click on other, and then click on need more help. Then you have to type, hey TikTok, my account does not have the repost option. Can you please fix it for me? And then press on submit. After 24 hours, your account should be reviewed. And once you go to a video and then click on the share button, then you can see the repost button should be showing fine for you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.